This is our remote control and chip. Okay, now let me show you how to install this chip into this hook. Our first step is to use tools to remove the panel and unscrew the screws of the panel. Then the panel can be opened. Okay, let's open the panel. Now we connect the chip to this tensile sensor to the line of the instrument. Four wires are connected. This is the chip. Okay, let's assemble the scale now. Now the hook has been installed. We press the remote control. Let's check the data of the hook. K adjustment. Positive and negative conversion, 0.